Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create or assign task in Outlook. So as you might know that there used to be a function called task where you can create task and share that task with people, but unfortunately Outlook has removed that function. But instead you have a workaround. By using that you can assign tasks to people or create one. So for that you just need to open Outlook web, and just right here you have the option as to do. If I click on that, such window will open, and here you have option as my day. Here you can create tasks in important, you can create the task here too. And here you have specific option called tasks, and here you can create all of your tasks and assign them. Now here under task we're gonna create the task as delete junk files. Okay, and for the task we can create or set due date, like you can set the due date on today, tomorrow, next week, and also you can pick a date. So I'm gonna pick the date 11th of July and click on save. Now here you can set the reminder, so I'm gonna set the reminder on tomorrow. You can repeat the reminder, it's up to you. And also you can click on add, and after clicking on add you will able to create new task, but we only want to proceed with this one, so we're gonna select this. Now here you have further options regarding this task, like you can create add step, and this means that you can add or create subtask by putting some text here. So I'm not gonna add any step or subtask, so I'll just leave it as it is. Now if you move to this option like add a file, so the best thing is that here you can attach any kind of image. Like if I click on add file, like I can put any image, any video file, or any PDF I want. Just for the sake of this video, let's say I attach this image here, so I can just double click on that and the image will get picked. So you can see that again I can click on the add file. Now let's say this time we select this option, double click on that, and yep, both of the files are attached. Now you can create note for this task. Let's say I type here delete junk apps too. Okay, and just exit from this view. Now once you're done with creating task, it's time to assign it. So for that just click on new list and just type here your list name. Let's say I type here 9th July and just hit enter. Your list will get created here. We're gonna drag and drop the task which we have created, so we'll just drag this task right here. Okay, and yep, you can see the task is here, so it's time to share it with people. So for that what we're gonna do, we can just select the task. Here you have the option to share, click on that. Now here you need to click on create invitation link. Now if you don't want anybody to open this task unless they are part of your community or company, then just switch on this option limit access, so that if anybody with this link will not able to open this task. But in my case I'm totally fine with the thing that if anybody with this link open the task, I have no problem with that. So that's why I'll just toggle this off, just back it, copy this link. Now I can just share this link with people and they can just easily open my task. Like if I just paste the link here, you can see that the link is open. Now we just need to sign up with the account and they'll able to open the link, or they're able to open the task. And yeah guys, that's it. This is the workaround which you can use to create or assign tasks to people in Outlook. And I know this is not the exact thing which you want to, you know, assign or create tasks, but that's the only thing which you can do right now in Outlook. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.